Hi guys, happy who knows what day it is because we're in quarantine and all the days are running in together. So today I'm gonna start unpacking and organizing my beauty studio. I just made my coffee, ready to tackle this. If my lashes are coming off, I'm really sorry. I am almost out of lash glue and I was like scraping the bottom today. I bought a new rug for my beauty room because my last one, oh my gosh, it was so destroyed. Like there was red liquid lipstick and just makeup everywhere. So I'm kind of nervous because the rug that I got, I'm gonna show you, it just came in. It's white. Don't know why I decided to pick white, but I did. And I'm kind of nervous about it because my last one was like gold and brown and it didn't show makeup as much, but this one is white. I'm wearing these like new contacts today I've never worn before and it's like kind of hard to get used to, but it's also kind of a vibe. I'll link them in the description bar. I know you guys always ask about them. Came in and this is the new rug for my beauty room. So we got to take this up there, but maybe we should organize some of the makeup first. Also, my Firepit just came in. We just unboxed it. And it's really cute. I love it. I don't know if I'm gonna put it this way or this way, but I ordered a little sofa. I think it comes in like a week or two. And then I ordered a little outdoor rug. I usually get my rugs from Rugs USA or rugs.com. They're really inexpensive and usually have sales. I ordered some amber fire beads to put in here. It's gonna look so cute. So to have like this little space for us to sit at night is gonna be so relaxing. Do you guys see that huge bee? I'm so scared of bees and there have been bees everywhere.
Damn, fat ass.
It's cold as hell in here.
Oh my god, this looks horrible.
So you gonna organize it then?
Not me.
You gonna organize it then?
Are you scary monkey?
I think we should probably start on the makeup little desks over here, these little organizer drawers, and start stacking these container store drawers. But then also the mirror that used to be up there, we're not gonna be able to put up here. We're gonna have to figure that out. We're gonna have to rearrange everything. So maybe we can start moving all of this makeup up and start organizing all the loose makeup. We can go from there and kind of clear some of this stuff because there's stuff everywhere. The first step was decluttering everything and moving all of the trash, unpacking the boxes, making some room so I could organize my makeup in the drawers. Since I had other people packing my makeup for me in LA, I didn't have time to go through and declutter before I moved. So not only was I putting everything away, but I also had to start decluttering my makeup, getting rid of brands that I don't support, getting rid of old makeup, expired makeup. I literally had makeup from like 2013. I'm like, why do I still have this? It's definitely bad. Damn, that's a lot of lashes. And I gave away a lot of lashes. But can you really have enough lashes? All right, this is gonna be fun to organize. I think I underestimated how much time this is gonna take. Last time I had my lashes organized by style, but I don't know if I have the motivation to do that this time. Does anyone wanna come help me organize? I'll give you some free makeup. I tried to organize them by brand because I was not motivated to organize them by style. Thumbs up if you're the worst at organizing or procrastinate like me, but I'm actually kind of proud of myself. It doesn't look that bad. Go girl, go girl, go girl. Ready? Sure. Positive, positive, positive. Hey, what's up? I tried to kind of organize them by brand-ish, kind of, sort of. All right. Next up is eyeshadow palettes, and honestly, I need a better way to organize them, but I had a lot. I didn't realize how many palettes I had. All right, so I organized this drawer. It's super heavy with palettes. And then I made a second drawer for eyeshadow palettes. I have like mini ones and some cute limited edition ones. So I left my lipsticks organized when we packed them. They're organized kind of by shade range-ish. So these will just go into drawers. Moving on to cheeks, I have like highlighters, blush, bronzer. I'm just trying to sift through and see like what's what. These are highlighters. And kind of Tetris them in the drawers and put them how they need to go in the drawers. I should have taken pictures of everything beforehand, but I still had to go through after doing all this and get rid of stuff. So when I do the final video, if you guys want makeup organization as well, it looks completely different than what it does right here. All the makeup organizers are from stores like Bed Bath & Beyond. You can just go to the kitchen section, and I did those little plastic kitchen organizers to organize all of my makeup. All All of my container store containers here, I used to have them in a little closet if you saw my other makeup organization at my other house, my little beauty room tour. So we set up the new rug. It looks super cute. I really like the way that it looks. And we've got to start setting up the equipment, like the studio setup soon, but we're just still working on clearing all of this stuff out. I've organized a lot of these drawers, which was great. I had someone help me organize this in LA, so it was a little bit easier since I kind of had like the setup that I used to have. I'm really, really happy. This big container here is all giveaway. I have a bunch of giveaway boxes in here, so I've got to figure out where I want to put those. They were in my office in my last house. I got to figure out, because when I do giveaways, I usually pull from here. There's so much good makeup in there. All right, I think that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow and see how much we can get done. We started off with putting together all of the equipment, my C-stands, my lighting, and hooking everything up. My setup is pretty intense, but I've accumulated these things over the years. I definitely didn't buy all of this equipment at once. Don't feel like you need all of this to create good content, because you don't. I literally started with my MacBook, set up on some textbooks in front of a window. All right, we're making progress. We just got the lights turned on right now, and Raphael's zip tying, helping me hide all these wires. He's really good at that. So that way there's not like too many wires. It's still a little bit messy right now, but we're getting there. Got my display turned on, which is awesome. We changed the setup a little bit. I'll show you guys. So my lights before were horizontal, but we turned them vertical to save a little bit of space and just to see if it'll evenly light a little bit more. I feel like when they were vertical, they were a little bit too high and they weren't like lighting as well. So currently this is what we have going on. Just turn on those lights that I got on my Amazon haul, and look at how cool. You just point at the one you want to change. Like I made those both pink, but you can make them each different colors. How cool is that? Good morning, everyone. We are back. I hope I can finish the studio today, but honestly, I don't know. Every day I'm like, tomorrow it'll get done, tomorrow it'll get done, but it is a lot of work and it's a lot to put away. So we're back. I just finished filming a little something for TikTok, so I like dressed up and I've been wearing my curly hair. If you guys have noticed, I did like curl these little pieces with a small curling iron, but I want to learn how to do my curly hair in addition to wearing wigs, because I still love wigs. But let me show you what we're working with today. All right, so it looks a lot messier than it is. So we've actually done a lot of work. So all the equipment is set up, which is awesome. Now I can film. I've got to organize all of these boxes of makeup, put them away, and really get all of this out of here. Like all of this needs to go. Come on, girl, it's raining. Get in here. Come on. I've been telling you to come in here. Come on. Come on, let's go. You're just getting wet. Are y'all ready to see what we've done so far? Are you ready for the final update for part 1? Let's show them. Bam! Okay, let me show you what we've done in here. So we put all of the makeup away. If you remember, my little makeup container thingies were actually in the corner to the left. So for now, I decided to stack and organize them right above this storage, just so it's all together in a safe space. I put my little picture here I brought. I would like to get it framed. This was the first store campaign and the only store campaign I've ever had, so it's a really important moment to me. If you guys want an in-depth makeup collection video, just give this one a thumbs up so I will know you guys want that. As you guys know, I brought all of my stuff from LA, and that room was a very different layout, so I'm just kind of placing things and still decluttering. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't think it looks good here, but I don't know where to put it. Maybe I can put it in storage, not sure. The girls are like having a full out play date as soon as I hit film. They're quiet until I hit film, and then they just wanna wrestle. I still have to declutter this corner right here. I want to make this like a filming, TikTok, maybe photography type of area. I have some of my decorative vases and things I usually put on my backdrops right here, so this area has to be decluttered. As we move over, this is my filming setup, so I have everything set up here. I know it looks like a lot. If you guys want an in-depth equipment video, also thumbs up this video and let me know you want it, because this is a whole nother conversation, but I know it's a lot of stuff. I have this little cool light that I got as well, and it's like a golden hour light, so it makes your photos or videos look like golden hour. It's super cool, but it does get really hot. It's kind of scary, but so far I'm liking it. Over here is more stuff that has to be sold or go into storage. I've got also some makeup storage in here for like new things I want to try and everyday kind of stuff that I usually use when I film, just some of my favorite products. I kept the bookshelf here for now. I just don't know if I want to keep it. I do love it. It's really pretty. It's not that, just, you know, sometimes you get over things and I don't know if it's just like memories tied to it, because some of my furniture just reminds me of LA and it's not like a good LA. It's like I just don't want it anymore. So I might end up getting rid of this bookshelf. I don't know, but it's not decorated or anything. And then I put my little pink chair here because, again, I think I'm gonna get rid of that. All of this is giveaway makeup, so I've got to organize all of this. I have my sofa here for now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in here or not. And then over here, all of this is giveaway makeup. My YouTube plaque, I think I'm gonna hang in my office. My backdrops and some rugs I need to get rid of. So this is what we're looking at right now. This is going to be the end of part 1. I can't wait to show you part 2 when everything is completely redesigned and redone, but I'm really happy with how it is so far. Right now, it's organized, I can work, and I'm so ready to finish. This is the end of part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, make sure your post notifications are turned on. I know I look a hot mess right now, but I've been editing all day and just organizing all week. So, I don't know when part 2 will be up, but I did want to at least start with part 1 so that when I finish this, you guys can see the transformation. So I'll link everything down below. If I forget anything or miss anything, just ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. All right, love you. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.